Hey guys, welcome to ShapeShift Studio B. I'm Alex Kemp, and for today's studio quick tip, we're going to be showing you how to use the backdrop stands and crossbars we have here in the studio to hang your own backdrops. Okay, so I've got the two backdrop stands that are available right behind the studio's main door. You can tell they're different than a light stand because they've got kind of a weird machine screw at the top instead of your standard mount. In addition, I have also got the crossbar here, which also has an extra section should you want to use it for a 12-foot background. But a lot of people, they're not using 12-footers. So we're gonna open up this light stand or backdrop stand the same way you would a light stand, by using the top collar here and pushing it down until the supports are parallel with the ground. Again, if you don't know how to set up a stand like this or a light stand, we do have a tutorial on how to do that. Okay, we'll put this off to one side here. Move the chair. All right, we'll set up the other one. And for today, I'm just going to be showing you how to set up with a 4-foot seamless, not a 9-foot. 9-foot seamless are great, and we do have some other colors not on our roller system that you can use with this backdrop stand and crossbar, but it is a little bit tricky to do by yourself. So I recommend having somebody with you to do it. That way you don't damage the backgrounds. Okay, so we're going to put this other stand way over here, which you probably cannot see. And now the crossbar has got on either end holes. You can see that. And those are just going to thread onto the top of our backdrop stand here. Just like that. We'll come over to the other end here and we'll get this one in. Just like that. And I'm gonna grab, right now we have a 4-foot green screen roll. And we're just gonna pop this off one end here. If we can, let's try this other end. All right, pop this on, and I'm going to just feed this roll of paper onto the crossbar, just like this. Make sure that doesn't come off. And you can imagine doing this with a 9-foot, how much fun you would have. Okay? So, when we are using a backdrop on the crossbar like this, you just want to be extremely careful. Paper backdrops are really easy to tear. If you let them unroll weird, then you'll get a weird crease in them. So we'll undo the tape on here from the last person. And what we'll do is while it's at our height, we will go ahead and start unrolling it and let it roll back on itself just like this. And we're just gonna guesstimate how much we need before putting these stands up to height, right? So just keep unrolling it. You might need to help it roll on itself. Okay. And then what we do is we grab a clip, and on a small one like this, you just need it on one end, but you will clip the paper to the roll, and that stops it from unrolling on itself, right? So now what you can do is you can raise this up, right, on both ends until it's at the height you want. Okay. I'm not going to go all the way up for the video, but you get the idea. So the next step is taking it down, and that can also be tricky for some people, but The main thing that you want to be aware of is rolling it back up. So you want to get to about shoulder height so you can reach it. You want to roll it back up nice and tight. So I'm gripping the roll and just rolling it as tight as I can. All the way up. If you roll it up and it's loose, then you're going to bend the paper, rip it, and the next person won't be able to use it. Not to mention all the trees you're killing. Okay, so we're at the end here. Make sure it's nice and snug. Right. Okay, and I'm just going to reuse the tape that's on here because it's still good and sticky. But if you need more, just grab the blue tape and tape it. I'm going to put some at the other end here. Just grab a couple inches and tape it nice and tight. All right, so there it is. That's how you use the backdrop stands and crossbar.